Have you had your fill of nature today? Look at this big tree. I'm filling my cup today with this amazing, beautiful tree. I saw it and I followed it, and I feel like so peaceful. It's autumn in Sweden right now, as you can see. I'm enjoying the feel of nature and this big branch I'm leaning on. This is my practice of grounding, hugging the tree and all parts of it. It feels like coming home. When you're traveling, you do make friends, but you probably miss your close friends from home, your family. For me, nature is like my family. So when I find nature, it's all connected. So I can lean on any tree I find. Take a big breath. It feels like coming home again. Love you all. Take care.